Good morning and welcome to the Anvil News Sports Update. I'm your host, Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Matty G.
So Matt, how did you sleep last night?
Pretty well, but it was kind of windy.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Ew, what's wrong? Oh,
Anyway, it was pretty windy last night. And we here at the Anvil News Sports Update are expert meteorologists. That is, we are experts at forecasting and testing the weather here at Anvil Island. We have developed precise scientific measurements to determine what the weather's going to be like today. And Matthew here is going to demonstrate our newly patented expectoration test to test the wind speed. Take it away, Matt. That means it's really windy, with a slight chance of showers.
That's your weather.
I'm Jordan Lee.
And I'm your co-host, Matty G.
Signing off.